उड़ू ऊंचा।
Do you remember the sound of the letter N? That's right. Look at these pictures. Which picture begins with the sound N? A belt, a nest, a dragon. Belt, nest, dragon. Say the word that begins with the sound N. Yes! Nest. Now look at some more pictures. Nurse, lizard, necklace. Say the word that begins with the sound N. Yes! Nurse and necklace. Good job. Now listen carefully. Which picture has the middle sound N? Apple, caterpillar, bunny. Say the word which has a N sound in the middle. Yes, bunny. Good job. Choose the letter N from these letters. Good job!
Like, share and subscribe.